Welcome to MyAmes Week 9. In Week 9, you will learn about time. 1/2 past. Samir. My week. Weekly activities. Listen, read, mark and type about Samir. Write about your week. Time. Learn words. What time is it? We listen. Listen again. Turn. It's 1/2 past. Continue on. What time is it? It's 2:30. It's 3:30. It's 1:30. It is 1:30, so we click this and check. Keep going through, all the way through to activity 9, and then we match. Drag and drop. Excellent. Don't forget to check. Activity 11, we listen and type. It's 1:30. So here we type it in. It's 1:30. And then check at the end. Don't forget to click the star. Number 3 continues on. Again, what time is it? And it's the same as before. Click, listen. Turn over. It's 7:30. We continue on the same way as we did before. And over here, we drag and drop again. And then we listen and type again. That's great. Don't forget to check and click the star at the end. Number 4, days of the week. Listen. Then we practice. Listen. Turn. Monday. Move on to the next one. Then we drag and drop. So we have the short form and the long form. This one we have to learn. Write the short form, Monday. So we put capital M, little o, little n. We go through these. Tuesday, T-U-E. The end, check. And then we listen and type. listen, Monday. Here's Monday again. Capital MONDDAY. Check at the end and then push the star. Number 5, Samir, my week. Learn the words. Here we go. Listen, turn, school. Next, we go all the way through those and find out what he does all week. And we have to listen and type. School, we type that word in here. School, and then check. Keep going. There he goes, 2 each day. Then we drag and drop. Drag and drop. And then drag and drop. Click the star. And read. Samir, my week. Move through the book, listening each day. And then read again. At the end, this story is about, you have to pick which one it's about. Then check. Number 7, we listen again to the story and follow it as we listen. Then we have to click on the words. I am Samir. This word is am. I find that here and I click. Samir. Find it here and click. Then I check. School, Monday. I go to school on Monday. School, Monday, Monday. Continue along, and keep going all the way to the end. Listen again. This time we have to listen and type. I am Samir. It's a drag and drop one. Right? I go to school on Monday. Alright? So we go all the way through there again. Great. Last one. Read and type this time. I am Samir. Here's the word Samir, and we type that in here. Samir. Check. Great. Go all the way through again to the end. Excellent. Now, this one's writing about you. Answer the questions. Write about your week. My name is, so we type that in here. My name is Nikki. MyAmes. I log in MyAmes on, and then you type which days you log it in. I log in, so we type that here. I log in MyAmes on Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. I clean the house. Which days do you clean the house? I clean the house on. I go shopping. I go shopping on. And then we submit the questionnaire. We save, and then submit. Really good. Thank you. Have a great week.